Okay, I'm going back down. I just got home and I walked past the biggest snake I've ever seen, and I'm just going to go see if it's still there, because this is kind of exciting. Oh, he's moving. He's on the move. On the move. Hey, buddy. Hello. I haven't met you before. You're the python, right? Hi. Hello. Nighttime. Hello, you're so beautiful. Hello. Did you just eat something? Hello. Hi, buddy. I reckon you're about 1, 2, whoa, 1, 2, maybe 3 meters long, 3.5 meters. Am I too chicken to get closer? Hello. Hi. My name's Anna. So, anyway, thanks for letting me say hello. Can I come closer? Where are you gonna go? Hi. Hi. Okay. Thank you. See you. Do you know what? I really like snakes. That's not the first snake I've met. I mean, I was a bit chicken to go up too close because I've never met a snake that big. And snakes, I have recently found out, are very scared of humans because their bodies are so thin. Not that he was, because he was very big, but their bodies are generally so thin that they can be like crushed very easily by a human hand. So, oh, hello. Hello. Deanie, what are you doing? Did you see the snake? Did you see the snake? Yeah? Did you see it? Oh, snuggle bum. Hey! Hey! Where's my snake catcher? Anyway, this is the house, and the snake is just down there. Snake house. Snake house. No walls. No doors. Just outside. And a snake catcher. Not really. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're a big wuss.